Unlocking the meaning of secure as Fort Knox. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's often used to describe the ultimate level of security, secure as Fort Knox. This expression has a rich history and offers a vivid image of safety and impenetrability. Let's explore what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it in your conversations to impress and convey your message with clarity. The phrase, secure as Fort Knox, refers to something that is extremely secure and impossible to breach. But why Fort Knox? Fort Knox is a United States Army post in Kentucky, home to the U.S. Bullion Depository, which houses a large portion of the country's gold reserves. The security measures in place at Fort Knox are legendary, making it one of the most secure locations in the world. The U.S. Bullion Depository at Fort Knox was completed in 1936, and its construction was part of a broader effort to secure the nation's gold reserves. Over the years, Fort Knox has become synonymous with maximum security due to its advanced protection techniques, including a solid granite wall perimeter, armed guards, and a vault door that weighs more than 20 tons. It's no wonder that the phrase, secure as Fort Knox, has come to represent the pinnacle of safety. You can use secure as Fort Knox in various contexts to emphasize the security or safety of something. For example, my new car's security system is secure as Fort Knox. I don't worry about theft. This document is stored in a server that's secure as Fort Knox, so our data is safe. The phrase is versatile and adds a layer of vivid imagery to your communication, making it more engaging and understandable for your audience. Understanding and using phrases like, secure as Fort Knox, can enrich your English communication, adding depth and precision to your messages. Whether you're discussing the security of a place, a system, or even metaphorically speaking about the safety of a situation, this phrase can help convey your point with impact. We hope this exploration has illuminated the phrase's meaning and history for you. Keep practicing, and you'll find your English conversations becoming more colorful and expressive. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next English adventure together.